Hello, we have on our Christmas outfits.
Having dinner tonight at Seafood Valley.
So we are enjoying ourselves the last bit of December and the new year coming in. What's your new year resolution?
Um, to just stay away from trouble and do the right thing and do better.
Mine is to travel and explore the USA. And that's it. We took some pictures earlier. I'm going to insert those in the video. So yeah. And remember to mind your own business. Stay out of people's lane. Stay in your own lane. And they won't be talking about you. Mind your own business.
That's right. Bye-bye.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. We're in San Marco. These are the lights. And we are going to take pictures. They have it lit up so nice down here. And this is the tree where we finna take pictures at. I have Dungeon crabs, macaroni potato, and shrimp. Terrence, what you got?
Shrimp and oyster, a baked potato, hush puppies, and coleslaw.
We are at Seafood Island in San Marco.